Watch this and never throw away avocado seeds again. We all know that avocado is loaded with many healthy nutrients, especially healthy fats, and it can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. It's very powerful and useful fruit. But did you know that avocado seed is much more powerful than the flesh? Well, yes, the avocado seed contains 65% of the amino acids in the avocado fruit, and it has more fiber than the actual fruit. The avocado seed can provide many health benefits, and these are the most important ones. Avocado seed health benefits. This seed is very useful and beneficial in treating arthritis, because of its anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties make this fruit very useful in reducing inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract. Avocado seed is very useful in treating diarrhea, and it's frequently used for infections and stomach problems medication. A recent study has found that avocado seed can tighten and rejuvenate your skin because of its collagen content. This seed will energize your body and provide enough energy for your everyday tasks. The avocado seed can prevent cancer because it's loaded with flavonols. Note, you can add this seed to your favorite salads, smoothies, shakes, or you can make a tea out of it. Before you start using this amazing seed, you should know that some people suffer from allergic reactions to avocado and avocado seed. Well, there are two main forms of allergy. First, people with tree pollen allergy develop local symptoms in the mouth and throat shortly after eating avocado. Second, this allergic reaction is also known as latex fruit syndrome, and it's related to latex allergy. The most common symptoms of this allergic reaction include generalized urticaria, all abdominal pain, and vomiting. You should also know that this allergic reaction can sometimes be life-threatening. As you can see, the seed of this amazing fruit can provide many health benefits. So instead of throwing it away, you can use it in your favorite salads, smoothies, shakes, or make a tea. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. The surprising trick to keep cut avocados fresh that most people don't know about. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question: how often do you eat avocado? Well, I sure hope that your answer is few times a week. You should consume avocados more often because they are loaded with healthy nutrients and can provide many health benefits. An avocado is a creamy, delicious, nutrient bomb, and it can do amazing things for your long-term health. We all know that in the last few years, avocados have been popping up everywhere in healthy recipes, food blogs, and on health websites. You can use this delicious fruit to make guacamole, add it in your favorite salad, or just eat it, but the only downside of the fruit is that it tends to get mushy, brown, and unappealing shortly after being cut. But you shouldn't be worried because it's your lucky day. Fortunately, there's a quick and easy trick to keep your avocados fresh to use in future recipes. Just watch the video and you will find out. Why eat more avocado? As we said, avocados are delicious and packed with healthy nutrients. Fiber, potassium, vitamin E, B vitamins, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, sodium, iron, vitamin A. How avocados fight cancer. Avocado contains high amounts of the glutathione compound. What is glutathione? Well, glutathione is a master antioxidant found in avocados that effectively detoxify the body and protect the cells from oxidative stress. And you should also know that avocados contain high amounts of oleic acid, which fight unhealthy plaque-forming cholesterol. According to Michelle Smekens, Fabno, naturopathic oncology provider at Cancer Treatment Centers of America's Midwestern Regional Medical Center, this means that if you consume foods that contain high amounts of oleic acid, it can even lower your risk of developing breast cancer. A recent study has discovered that the molecules found in avocados could actually hold the power to treat specific forms of leukemia. The medical experts in this study have even filed a patent application for use of avocation B, a compound found in avocados, to develop drugs that combats acute myeloid leukemia. You should also know that the healthy fats found in avocados also aid in keeping neurological cell membranes flexible. Another study published in the October 2012 edition of the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology, has discovered that monounsaturated fatty acids actually protect nerve cells in the brain known as astrocytes, which support information-carrying cells. How to keep them fresh? As we said, we all know that when avocados are cut, they quickly brown due to oxidization. Now you probably ask yourself why? Well, the enzyme known as polyphenol oxidase is the cause of this phenomenon that makes avocados difficult to store. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: fresh cut avocado, a red onion, and an airtight container. First you need to slice the red onion into large pieces and place at the bottom of your container. Then you need to add half an avocado cut lengthwise skin side down over the onion. This will prevent your avocado from absorbing the onion flavor. The gases released by the onion will prevent the avocado from oxidizing for 5 to 7 days. You should definitely try this simple trick and share your thoughts in the comment sections below. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.